The defense is winding down its case in Karen Reed's second murder trial. Their final witness, accident reconstructionist, back on the stand today. NBC 10's Manoj Pongwari live outside the courthouse in Dedham right now. Manoj, it's also the official that Reed will not, it's official here that Reed will not testify though, right?
That's exactly what she told us outside of court yesterday, making that official announcement. That new person that is expected to take the stand, Dr. Andrew Rentschler. In fact, he was on the stand for about an hour yesterday, his testimony coming after Dr. Elizabeth La Posada. Now, here's the thing with her. As we know, Karen Reed is accused of backing her SUV into and killing John O'Keefe outside of a Canton home. The defense maintains that John went into that home, was attacked before being thrown on the front lawn. Well, Dr. La Posada was the one who examined John O'Keefe's autopsy and several other documents related to his death, and her conclusion summed up in her testimony.
Do you have an opinion as to whether or not the wounds that you see, the patterned injury that you see on Mr. O'Keefe's right arm, is consistent with an animal bite or claw marks?
Yes, it is, very much. By looking at the body, I could tell that there was no evidence of impact with a vehicle.
Do you concur with the diagnosis of hypothermia?
No, the body did not have any hypothermia.
And that last note about hypothermia is notable because the prosecution last month put up Dr. Irini Scortabello, a Massachusetts medical examiner, who definitively said hypothermia contributed to John's death. Dr. La Posada went on to say she also examined John O'Keefe's x-rays and saw that his bones were intact, there was no breakage or fractures, which she says is typical for a pedestrian collision. So to discredit her opinion, prosecutors brought up her job history, specifically the criticism she received as Rhode Island's chief medical examiner after the station nightclub fire. 100 people were killed because of that event, and she was criticized at the time for staying away from the scene. And it also should be noted, Judge Beverly Cannoni still does not believe La Posada is qualified enough to be a, quote, dog bite expert. Well, as we mentioned, Dr. Andrew Rentschler then followed her. He is on the stand and will start to stand for what's expected to be a full day of testimony. We'll, of course, keep you updated on what he has to say now that he is the final defense witness. For right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manoj Pongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Thank you, Manoj. NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Reed's second murder trial. We'll bring you today's court proceedings live on our sister station, NECN. You can also stream it on our YouTube page. And then join us tonight at 7 for a recap of what happened in court on Canton Confidential.